Whoa. Whoa. And here we are. Maybe I recorded at a bad time. Oh, my hands, sure, yeah. Exciting early course stuffs. Learning to do it. Always takes a little bit of time to remember how to clip those things on and off. The GoPro is probably not picking it up. I'm not using any hands here. Ta-da! Alright, you gotta keep it in front of you, so it pushes along as you walk. You can have it over your shoulder.
So like laggy. Like this?
No. Like, no, not like that. No, in front of you, so it's still over.
Like this?
Well, yeah, but not exactly so your neck is through it. You don't want your neck being through it. I guess, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Let's see if I can pick up my feet here.
Not the swinging log of doom.
A little more forward.
Increased pucker factor.
I hate the swinging logs of doom. And this kind of reminds me of one of those Skyward Sword things. You have to like...
I made it. It wasn't so bad.
Give me your reports about how slick it was. I'm not quite going to go for the...
All the no hand stuff.
No hand.
Oh, it was so, like, I got to the end of one of them and it immediately, I'm just sliding off. It's like, okay, this is like those mossy steps in front of their house.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Don't know this is gonna be good because I'm swinging so much. It's not that hard. There we go.
Was that a kids course bonus? It is? Wow.
What?
That wasn't so bad, right?
Kids course up here.
Yeah. Right up there, there's kids course, pretty high up. All right, I have no idea if this is gonna, let's see what happens when I lean down. Well, hopefully
Make sure to yell all clear at the end.
hopefully this picks up something good. Here we go. Oh, this way. And there we go. Walking along the checkered bridge. Look how bouncy it is. You right behind me? Someone's right.
Jumped it. And I am coming in hot behind you. Oh, no, there's
Ooh.
fine.
Only 2 per obstacle. I'm not going to jump out of you guys.
Okay. Whew. Whew. Not bad.
I feel like I can't quite stick my leg down.
Now for this monstrosity, here we go. Yeah. Oh man. The carabiners are getting hooked up behind me. Oh, it's pretty good. Oh. Oh.
I'm here too, Mark.
What?
FYI.
What was it? You're going on?
I'm on here.
Okay. Is that why it's shaking so much?
What?
Is that why it's shaking so much? Just gotta make sure you go around the right side, otherwise you're gonna get trapped.
Why is he gonna get what?
Well, you know, if your carabiners went around the wrong way.
Dude, kids. Carabiners the thing that you put on the zip.
Oh, right, yeah.
Believe me, I make that mistake too.
Ah, you made it. Oh, not that far. I'm hooked in. Here I go. Whew.
I am Tarzan!
Oh!
It's not a slow pace, yeah.
Should I do it again?
Oh yeah, go backwards. Uh-oh. All right.
There we go.
Oh, you want a faster pace?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
All right. This is what we got. This is what we're working with. Ropes. Ooh. Whoa. You probably skip ropes pretty easily here. And there we are, we did it.
Whoa. Ah! Oh! Ah!
Keep that one.
All right, there you go. Wait, make sure you get the other, you gotta lift your leg because you're on the outside of one right now.
I know.
Okay. Do you know?
You're gonna have to lift his right leg through.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to lift it through?
You have to lift it back the way it came and through the rope. Just put your foot on the next rope.
The left foot forwards on the next rope.
Okay, yeah. Now lift your other foot up, your right foot right now, and put it through that hoop that's behind you.
There you go.
There, yeah.
There, now you're good. Keep going forwards. Bingo.
Okay.
Oh. Oh.
Ah.
Welcome. Oh, nice cool breeze came off of you.
What?
As you approached, I got a nice cool breeze.
Oh.
End of course 1 and 2. Decent amount of elements, not too bad, pretty easy. Although a little wet, which made it a little more difficult due to the slipperiness. Not bad overall though. What do we think? Yeah!
I'm happy to be on solid ground. It's actually solid.
Get some water.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. This is one of the longest zip lines probably on the entire course. It might even be longer than those ones up top, but probably not. Pretty good, pretty good. Legs forward. Ah. Same thing, but from me. Here we go.
I didn't say all clear, Mark.
Oh, well. Whoa. Whoa.
What'd I tell you?
The middle planks get real small on this thing. Now I am. Here we go. Ugh. Whoa. This is gonna get thrown away, this footage. It's like, it's aimed down at my feet, but I'm moving everywhere.
Make sure to yell all clear. And Mark, when I zip line, make sure to
Yeah.
all clear.
Make sure you lean back this time too.
Yeah.
There we are. And that was that. What did you think of course 3?
It was pretty hard and pretty tiring, but I got through it.
Yeah.
And it was really fun, especially with the zips.
What was your favorite element?
Probably the zip line.
Zip lines?
Yeah.
What do you think of the cargo net?
That was pretty good and all. And we had one at the playground, but that was definitely really
The zip lines are the best part? Yeah, they're most relaxing and you get that feeling of speed. Hey, all the way. Not bad. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, someone just ran into each other down there. Don't think that was supposed to happen. Thanks for being with us. Good night, everybody.